Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will talk about JSTL set and remove tags. Now friends, we have already did the setup procedure for this project. We have the jar file in place, so we need not to worry about setting things up. We have everything in place. So now let us quickly create a JSP page. The name of the JSP page could be like JSTL demo.jsp, and in here first of all let me add in a good looking title. It would be like JSTL demo. And now let us try to check the tags. Now in here, if I type in C colon, there is nothing. The reason is very simple. We haven't added any tag libs. Now tag libs are similar to imports. When we use the tag libs, then only we would be able to make use of a specific set of JSTL tags. Let me show you. Now friends, on this web page we have the tag libs. Now these tag libs are specific to the categories of tags. These categories are core tags, formatting, SQL, XML and JSTL function tags. Now to start with, we will simply check the core tags. So let me quickly copy this. And in order to get to this web page, you can navigate to studyeasy.org/JSTL/JSTL tag libs, or you can also search our website for JSTL tag libs. And alternatively, you can also Google for JSTL tag libs and definitely you will get the list of tag libs. Alright, let me minimize this. Now friends, before pasting the tag lib, let me show you. If in here I try to check C colon and try to autocomplete, definitely there won't be any result. But for example, we paste the tag lib after the first line of code, then definitely we would be able to see the list of tags. And in here we have the core tag listing. Now if we check this particular line of code of this tag lib, then we have this prefix attribute. Now this prefix attribute is C, and this is the reason why we are getting the list when we type in C colon. So this prefix is again important, and tag libs is similar to import in Java. When we make use of this tag lib, then definitely the core tags will be available to us. Alright, now let me show you one small little thing. This URI is again not a valid URL. If I copy this real quick and navigate to Google and try to navigate to this URI, definitely it will redirect us to some other website which is on oracle.com. Now definitely this URI is just an URI segment, and it's like a notifier, a indicator for the core tag and nothing else. Alright, now moving forward, let us check the core tags. To start with, we will simply check the set and remove tags. So let us make use of it. And if we check the list of attributes, there are multiple attributes, and the most important one being var and value. The name of the variable could be, for example, name, and value could be my name. Here we go. Now in order to display this information, what we will use? Definitely we will use C colon out tag. And what should be the value for this value attribute? Definitely we will give the name of this variable. Let us check whether this works or not. Now if I execute this program, then the output is name, which is kind of strange, right? Now friends, the reason being, this output is simply outputting the value which is received by this tag, and the value is a text entry, a string entry. The entry is name. Now whenever we are making use of this out attribute, it is good to make use of expression element, and in here it is also showing up expression to be evaluated. So what exactly is this expression? Now when it comes to JSTL, we can make use of expression language. Now in here let me show you. In fact, expression language could be used under JSP page, any page in fact. So in here, for example, I type in dollar symbol and make use of pair of braces, and in between this brace, we give the name of the variable, which is again name. Then if I refresh, the value would be changed to Chand. Now this is the way how we can retrieve the information from a variable. And if we simply give any text value in here, for example, string, then a weird string would be displayed in here. Got my point? So in here, expression language is very important, and we will check a couple of more things related to expression language in a minute. In here, first of all, let us try to understand What happens if we get rid of this tag and simply display the value using the expression language? Again, that is possible. In here, if I print name using expression language, again, this is valid. Let me refresh this page. Here is the output. So this can be done, and expression language is very convenient. What is an expression language is something which we will discuss in a minute. First of all, let us try to discuss the remove tag. So in here, if I type in c:remove, and then we give the name of the variable as name, then what happens is this variable name will be removed from the memory. And for example, if I again try to print the value of name on the web page, then the output would be nothing. In fact, this line of code at line number 17 will print nothing, right? Let me show you. If I remove this particular line from line number 16, then you will be able to see my name twice, right? So this will remove the variable from the memory. Alright, now moving forward, let us get rid of this tag. Now let us also remove this line of code from line number 17. Alright, let me refresh the page. Alright, now friends, moving forward, we have seen how to set the variable, we have seen how to remove a variable, we have seen how to make use of c:out tag. Now definitely making use of c:out tag is optional. We can directly print information using this expression language again. Now finally, let us discuss about expression language. Now expression language is nothing but set of expressions which can help us to speed up our work. For example, if we would like to read a variable name, we can directly make use of expression language and read the variable name. Likewise, for example, we would like to read some parameters. Definitely we can do this. Let me show you. In here, if I type in $ pair of braces, and in here, if for example, we read param dot message. Now in here, what happens is this will print what? This will print if there is a parameter by the name of MSG available to us. Let me show you how we can do it. In here, for example, I type in $MSG equals hello. Let me show you. Here we go. So we are able to read this information from the URL. Now in here, we are making use of get parameter. We are reading information from the URL, but it doesn't matter. We can also read information from the post variable. So expression language are set of expressions which can speed up our overall programming. Alright, so definitely we will also make use of expression elements, expression language in our forthcoming videos. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.